Harga kuat pun orang itu sorkar. Bakam dai hadir bayap no. Kimen simbrio pisasna ki an ki jongpi. Mane nang I hang porsi beje. No paisi. Bau tau chief minister ka permi ka an. Bayanon ai ya kata ke treatment kum ki VIP ne ke ai ki convoy ki S1. Andal ayap kimen simbrio hang tas ke threat. Kiman kata sekretariat ka bilano anja brio sasna ka an. Kum bejias kata ki border area babun. Kimen simbrio ayap san rumut. Sami kita ki police border outpost. Kemamut bagi ka sarkar, kamlong aktif, kalong pasif, kulo ban ai ke jing shikri ke jing ada yang ni kumki no song jong ka jala jong.
Yes, I have been receiving a large number of complaints and concerns by citizens about what people are calling VIP culture. It is, of course, a matter of concern, but we also have to look at it from multiple angles. There is concern for security and safety, which should not be mixed with the aspect of culture as such. But safety and security is one aspect, which is something that we personally feel is important, should not be compromised. But if that particular safety and security concern becomes more of a attitude and it is used in a wrong way, then I think that is what really is the problem. Therefore, it is important for us to regulate it in the right way. And just last week, we had a meeting with the Deputy Chief Minister in charge home and all the other officials, DGP, the Chief Secretary. And we have asked the police department to prepare an SOP as to who can use sirens and who cannot, and can have tinted glasses and who cannot, and at the same time the flickering lights, who can put and who cannot, and very strictly implement those provisions and ensure that the protocols that need to be followed while using the siren and the lights and other devices should be very strictly implemented.